everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Netflix back screen error on mobile. So first of all, go ahead and check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it loads. Next, what you're gonna do is, if the app does not help, go ahead and open settings, then general, then click on iPhone storage, then go ahead and open the app you're looking for and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available, and then go ahead and reinstall the app. Now reopen Netflix and try streaming again. If that still does not work, go ahead and delete and reinstall the app Netflix with all the latest files and bug fixes. Always update Netflix only from the official App Store or Play Store. Fake versions can steal your account. Restart your phone, then update Netflix to the latest version. In rare cases, logging out and back in refreshes your account and clears the black screen. This is how you guys can fix your Netflix back screen error on mobile. I hope this video helped you guys on doing that. If it did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.